How many people are married like that? They will make the move. That first move is not this one that will not be, I want you to be my boyfriend, I like you a lot. Can you? No, not that type. You can compliment his shirt, you can look for any connection, you can look for anything that can, you can not collect his number. Do you stay around? Immediately stay, say, where do you stay around here? Immediately has told you where he stays, okay, you know you will see him again. So then you can leave for that time. Then the next time when you see me, hey, my guy, what's up? But now let me call so we can be chatting once. That's it. You can even be the one to be pushing and one day he will collect your number. So making the move is not bad, it's not hard, it's simple. But when you want to make the move, number 4 move, and you don't make it from the beginning, it's when you now get to this stage. So that's why I said it's either a male or a female, it does not matter who makes the move. Excuse me, let me take a bottle of water. Let me drink water, a sip of water. So from the friendship level now, you want to move into a relationship, exclusive relationship, romantic relationship. You now sit down. The meeting is not going to be a one-time meeting, but some people's own can happen once because the connection is so strong, the chemistry is strong, the friendship is strong, they have good knowledge about each other already. So some people's own is once, but it's not necessarily that it have to be one-time meeting. So you talk about it. So are you not saying that I will not leave Jennifer? Jennifer cannot be my friend. Yes. Jennifer will be your friend, but there's a limit to what you'll be doing with Jennifer now. So you and Jennifer can't be doing this. You can say, okay, what of Lisa? Say, no, you and Lisa, in fact, from what I'm thinking, I think you should change your jobs because you are too close to these girls. Or what you will do is that you have to go and announce to them that I'm not your girlfriend. They need to know now. It's not exclusive. They can't be bringing food for you. They can't be doing certain things. They should leave all those ones to me now. So, you see now, both of you will now promote yourself. He's not your boyfriend, you are not his girlfriend. You have a conversation. What do you do? What did I say? If it's a class, you have to repeat after me. You have what? You have a conversation. And you discuss it and we are good. After that, immediately you enter into exclusive relationship. Courtship has started. Yes, so that's courtship. Because why did you enter there? You enter there because you want to be exclusive with each other. And that's like practicing marriage. Apart from the fact that you are not allowed to have sex, you are not supposed to have sex, which is very difficult in this day and time. So at that level now, courtship